So in this video, I'm going to talk about on-page SEO. What is on-page SEO, what is important, and why we are using on-page SEO. Hello friends, I'm Shivani Goyal. Welcome in WsCube Tech. So let's start with the basic definition of on-page SEO. What it is and why we called it on-page SEO. So on-page SEO, which is also known as on-site SEO. So it is the practice of optimizing web pages content for search engine and users. This can involve optimizing both the content and the HTML source code of the pages on your site. So this is basically what your on-page SEO is. Let's suppose this is your website, and whatever be the changes you are done in this particular site in terms of your title, description, internal link name. So all these changes comes under your on-page SEO here. Okay. So now what are the on-page ranking factors? On-page ranking factors can have a big impact on your page's ability to rank if optimized properly. The biggest on-page factors that affect search engine ranking are your title tag, your meta description, alt text, your duplicate content, robots.txt file, your robots meta directories, your schema.org markups, your HTTP status code. So these all are the important on-page SEO factors. So we have to work on all these factors just to optimize your website for on-page optimization. Okay. Next, other factors we have is your page speed, conversion rate optimization, your domain, your URL optimization, your canonicalization if you have. We have to improve that. Redirects, core web vitals, your performance matrices, that is your opportunities and diagnostics. So these all are the important matrices which you have to focus on. Just to rank your content in 2022, you also need to optimize your content for page loading speed, click-through rate, in terms of user experience, in terms of bounce rate and the dwell time. Bounce rate, when the people visit on your site without clicking anywhere, if the user simply just get back, this is your bounce rate. And whatever be the time user spent on your particular site without clicking anywhere, that particular time is known as dwell time here. User search intent, what type of information they are seeking, like their search intent is informational, or if they are doing transactional, navigational, whatever be the search intent your users have. So you have to need to optimize your content for all these factors. Okay. So this is all about your on-page SEO. This is a basic video on your on-page SEO, and in my upcoming videos, I will discuss more about on-page factors. So thank you so much for watching this video.